GKU Littles! I'm making a chocolate mayonnaise cake. You need 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir. You want your powder to look like that. Half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now give it a stir. And you want it to look like this. Now butter your pan. Pour in the batter. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Put it in the oven. Take 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Now stir. And we're gonna melt a 1/4 cup of chocolate. Put it to the side. Now we're gonna beat up half a cup of whipping cream. Mix your gelatin into the chocolate and mix it in the whipping cream. Now we give it a mix. Now we're gonna check it. Our cake is done. Now we let it cool. Now let's mix the ganache for the top of the cake. Add 1/3 cup of whipping cream. Add half a cup of chocolate chips. And put it in the microwave until it melts. Let's put it all together. Put the mousse in the middle. Put the top on and put on the ganache. You're done, you can decorate it. And that's a chocolate mayonnaise cake.